Keep them like that. Don't fire like that. Thank God.
Where's the can you do that? Carry your phone, my phone don't This
Heck. Better.
How you doing now? I trust you long time. I'm so my phone. We are the one that stopped them. We arrested them. We are the first person to stop and pack them like this.
Your boys, all of them, they met us here.
They met us.
That is a lie.
Hey! You said that's a lie. No, listen. I'm talking. You listen to me. You don't know. No, you don't know who you are talking with. So I'm listening to you. Nobody should talk when I'm here. Stop that video. I'll break your phone. You know that thing. Why are you videoing us? Video. I give authority to video. I say you should video. Hey! Don't do that. Don't do that.
Let me do what you do now.
How can he be videoing us? Call whoever I want to call now. We are not calling anybody now. So let me ask you. Can I ask you something? We are the person that stopped them. We are the first person that stopped this vehicle. You can hack them. Where are the keys to the vehicle? We don't know. We are the first person that stopped them. They met us here. Ask these people. Okay. They met us here. It's alright. It's alright. Are you okay now? I'm fine. You understand?
Yes.
You want to assist? Outside that, we are taking all this way. You understand?
Yes. Better.
No man, no don't deny.
They say they get the key.
They collect all the keys. They will
collect their keys. They exploited these people. You see, they have the key. They told me that they have the key.
No, I don't want
any confusion.
I don't want you to see
Hey!
Leave out too much.
No, don't fire. Sorry. No, don't fire. Don't fire. Please, don't fire. Please. See.
I'll break your phone though.
You break it. Break it.
Commander, that is about 3
The care there with you. The care there with them.
Commissioner of Police now.
Yes, better. Let Oga call Commissioner of Police. Sir, in their front. Sir, Oga, say if possible, you can call controller, maybe call Commissioner of Police. Because they carry the keys, they won't run now.
No, don't worry. No, calm down. They already have their video. They will lose their job.
Yes.
Calm down.
We have already videoed them all.
Leave them. I don't know. My phone is not even on. Trying to call Oga. So where do you get network? Not only Airtel. I want the Airtel. Where do you get network? No.
Let's go front. Oh, see, okay, make you climb this machine. Go front with one officer.